Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can use workflows in Quickbooks. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Quickbooks and then just click on workflows and click templates. When you're going to click templates, you're going to see all the templates that you can use. You can also create your own workflow, but how does it actually work? So you can have invoice approval, bank deposit reminder, payment due reminder, pay vendor reminder, unsent, payment received, overdue invoice memo. And thanks to workflows, you can automate things. So let's say invoice approval. Automatically create a task and send a notification when a new invoice needs approval. Let's create. And what you can do. So name invoice approval can be below 1000. So conditions, decide condition. Invoice amount when there is going to be less than, greater than, less than or equal to, equals, greater than. So less than $1,000, I will need approval. So that's how you can do it. You can also add a sub condition here. And now actions. Approval task will be created for them in task. Create a task for you would see client here. Send notification to who? And if not approved within 7 days, send reminder to approver or auto approve invoice. So these are the two things how you can actually do it and what you can do with it. And that's how it actually works. So that's pretty much it how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.